Yo, what's up? It's 𝐷𝐂𝐒, and in this video, I'm going to be doing a full comprehensive review of the Sunlighten Sauna Mpulse, and it is a in-home infrared sauna unit.
The way to become one with the universe is to trust it.
By the end of this video, you're going to see all the features of this infrared sauna. You're going to see all the things that I like, all the things that I don't, and maybe some things that you didn't know. And if you want to know the benefits of an infrared sauna and also the difference between an infrared sauna and a traditional sauna, then I'll link up some more videos in the description below. So let's just run through some of the stuff that we can grade our saunas on. So for me, there's a couple factors. Number one is how easy was it to build? What's the quality of the actual build, like the quality of the material and the quality of the design, the aesthetic. And next would be the features. What are the things that actually come with the sauna? What makes it special? What are the unique proprietary things that we can look at and determine against other saunas? The next thing is going to be how much EMF does this infrared sauna actually emit, which I know may be important to a lot of you out there. It was important to me. And I'm going to share my experience with you after using the sauna for a little bit now and give you an overall rating based on the factors that we just named. When the sauna actually arrived and when we were putting it together, I'm not gonna lie, there was some challenges and challenges that I didn't expect. So for the ease of actually putting it together, I think there could be some improvements. It's not anything huge, it's just like little things that weren't very clear in the instructions as we were putting it. If you have this sauna or if you're interested in it, I will also link up a video that I made about how we assembled the sauna, and it can show you like what are the things that we got hung up on that actually ended up taking a little bit to figure out. Once I actually got it built though, and I was able to turn it on, I've been very happy with my experience so far. Like the wood is unbelievably nice, right? The screen, it works really well. Buttons respond quickly. The aesthetic of the overall sauna is really nice. I think it makes this garage that we're in actually look really good. And the lights and the exterior lights that light up the outside of the sauna make it look really cool as well. One thing that I wish I had done was ordered a different type of wood though. Even though the wood is really nice, it has a nice smell to it, a nice aroma. If someone has dirty feet and they walk in to the sauna or they put their feet on the bench, because it's a light wood, it can get stained and get dirt on it and it's like really visible. If I were to encourage you, if you're interested in buying a sauna, I would definitely go with a darker wood. And with that darker wood, you won't be able to see blemishes or imperfections as much as with the light wood. The glass is super thick, it feels very sturdy, and it keeps everything really well insulated. So I know that there is probably a lot more features than what I'm gonna cover in this video, but the ones that I've been playing around with myself are just switching between the different near, far, and mid infrared lights based on like what I'm trying to accomplish. So if it's later at night, I might turn on the relaxation one, or if I need a detox or I feel like I want to do that, then I'll turn on the detox one and I'll make custom ones. And I think that part of it has been really fun and like really cool. And I know that not all infrared saunas actually have all three wavelengths. As far as like user experience and ease of use goes, it's pretty simple. You just press the button, you click what type of session you want to have, and then it just heats up. Or one of the only drawbacks, I don't know how other saunas are with this because I don't have experience with other infrared saunas, but it does take a while to heat up. And I think that's normal, but sometimes it can take a while. Sunlighten did tell me that for whatever reason in this particular model, in the Mpulse, the lights on the inside can only be changed with the remote. So I don't know what's up with that. They said that it's something that they're working on and new versions aren't gonna have that. So maybe that's just with the older models, but if you wanna keep the lights on inside, you gotta make sure you know where the remote is. You gotta keep it safe inside the sauna somewhere. Part of what the draw is to the infrared sauna is it doesn't get as hot so that you can stay in the sauna for longer so that you can get more therapeutic benefit. And despite that being true, sometimes I would like the temperature to go a little bit above 150. And I know that other infrared saunas, they don't do that. Like that's similar amongst all infrared saunas. And like, it would be really cool if it could go just a little bit hotter, just a little bit hotter. But I know that's also hotter than some other infrared saunas. Like some infrared saunas only go to like 130, 140. So, you know, take that for what it is. And when it comes to infrared saunas, something that people always want to know about is EMFs. Is it safe? What's the deal? You know, and there's a lot of different talk about different saunas on the market. And this is something that I was actually really concerned about. And so I have here my trusty EMF meter, and I turn the sauna on and I put my meter right next to the panels when it was on full blast, and it was well within the safe range. And so that made me really happy. It made me really feel good about my confidence in Sunlighten, that they're really standing up to what they say of having low EMF producing infrared saunas. Now, let me just tell you about my experience after using the infrared sauna for, you know, a while now. And my overall experience has been amazing. I feel like it's such a blessing to be able to have an infrared sauna because, you know, after you have a long day of work, or you want to relax or get ready for bed, or you want to recover from a workout, whatever it is, there's a lot of applications for the infrared sauna. And for me, you know, the lifestyle that I live, I don't really go out and drink very much, but I do like to socialize a lot. So the way that I've been kind of using the infrared sauna is actually a way to connect with people. It's like, hey, come over, we'll sit in the infrared sauna, we can chop it up, we can talk about life, like whatever. And it's been so cool to be able to have that and give that to people in my community, my friends, and my family. And what I've noticed from an energy perspective and from a health perspective is just, I'm way more relaxed. Stress levels are definitely lower. I have higher energy throughout the day, and I just feel a sense of like clear. Like I just feel like less heavy, if that makes sense. You know, after everything's all said and done, from my experience using the sauna, it's been great. And I think if you're considering getting a sauna, you should definitely get one. I'm really excited to see the long-term benefits of using a sauna on an ongoing basis. And if I were to rate this thing overall, I'd give it a 9 out of 10. It's a 9 out of 10 because I just love it. I love the experience of it. It makes me feel amazing. It has low EMF. Once you get it set up, it's pretty easy to use. The only reason why it's a 9 and it's not a 10 is because it was a bit tough to put together. I've had a bit of trouble sometimes connecting my phone with Bluetooth. Like sometimes it finds it, sometimes it doesn't. And the thing with the lights on the inside. But those are pretty minor, like I would say, marks against the sauna. But everything else was pretty amazing. So maybe I'm biased because Sunlighten gave me the sauna, but I find it pretty amazing. So if you're interested in buying a Sunlighten sauna or the Mpulse or any of their other models, then you can click the link in my description, and if you go through my link, it will give me a small kickback, and it does help support the channel if you decide to do that. And it's people like you that make it possible for me to continue to make videos here. And if you found value in this, that would mean the world to me. I hope this video helps you make a decision, and smash that like button if this was helpful, if you found it valuable. And if you like biohacking, lifestyle, wellness content, then be sure to subscribe somewhere around here. and hit that little bell, the ding, ding, ding. You'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. That's it for this video. Be well. Talk to you soon.